Today we are going to talk about how metals are extracted from their ores. So ores, right, they typically contain a lot of metal oxides. So it's like some metal and an oxide. Okay, so from the previous part of the chapter, we already know that the more reactive metal is going to replace the less reactive metal from its oxide or salt. So an example would be that zinc will be able to replace lead oxide and form zinc oxide and lead. So because if you see zinc is more reactive than lead, right? Okay, with that in mind, a very common way to actually extract metals is by using carbon. So consider this equation. So when zinc oxide is added to carbon, it's going to form the zinc metal and carbon dioxide. If you notice, right, the carbon dioxide that's formed, right, is the reason why carbon is chosen to extract the zinc metal, because carbon dioxide is very easy to deal with. It just escapes into the air. So another example would be, say, oh wait, we need to balance this. So 2 oxygens here, and then 2 zinc. Yeah. So another example, let's say lead oxide plus carbon is going to form lead and carbon dioxide. Right, so it's the same thing. Yeah, and do this for it's the same equation for every metal down here. So you might ask, well, what if the metals are up here? Because like the metals up here are more reactive than carbon, right? So you cannot extract by adding carbon. Therefore, the only way to do it is by electrolysis. That's all for this chapter.